before we tie in, we need to identify which side of the rope to tie into. So in most cases, whenever you are being belayed by another person, one of you is going to have the further side and one of you is going to have the side that is closer to the wall. So if we can look up, we can tell which side is which. Sometimes it may be tangled, so it's important to identify that they are not tangled, or this would not be ideal. Pull them apart. The person who has the side of the rope closer to the wall will be the climber. So now that we've identified which side of the rope we are going to tie ourselves into, we need to measure how much rope we are going to need. So you can take a little bit less than a wingspan if you are an adult. If you are a child, you're probably going to need the full wingspan. So we're going to go about here or so. And we're going to make our bite like we discussed before. Take the slack, wrap it around, put it through the loop. Pull so we've got our 8. We're not going to pull super tight because then whenever we go to tie in, it'll make it a little bit difficult. So then we are going to just tie into, and in this case, the harness that I'm using has the 2 places to pass the rope through. As you well know from your other research on this wonderful video series, I'm just going to tie myself in. And then we want to be sure that we have a couple extra inches of rope to tie our stopper knot.